If you want to target the right people in Mailchimp without sending the same message to everyone, segments are one of the most useful features you can learn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use segments in Mailchimp step by step, from creating a segment to applying it in a campaign and sending your email to the exact audience you want. This is especially helpful if you want to organize subscribers based on behavior, interest, or other conditions, so your emails become more relevant and more effective. If this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on Audience. This is where Mailchimp keeps your contacts and audience management tools. After that, click on Segments. Segments are basically filtered groups inside your audience, and they let you narrow down your contacts using rules or conditions. Now click on Create Segment. This opens the segment builder, where you can start defining who should be included. Next, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose the condition type. Select the condition that matches what you want to filter by, then build your segment based on that criteria. For example, you might choose conditions related to email activity, tags, location, or other audience data depending on what's available in your account. Once your condition is set, review it carefully before moving forward. That step matters because the accuracy of your segment depends on the rules you choose here. When everything looks correct, click Review Segment. Mailchimp will show you a preview of the contacts that match your filter, so you can make sure the right people are being included. If the preview looks good, click Use Segment. Now give your segment a clear name. It's best to name it in a way that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple segments for different campaigns. After naming it, click Save and Exit. At this point, your segment is created and ready to use. Now let's apply it to a campaign. Click on Campaigns from the menu. Find the email campaign where you want to use the segment, then click Edit next to that campaign. Inside the campaign editor, look for the To section. Click on the Send To drop-down because that is where you choose who will receive the email. Then click on Segments. You should now see the segment you created earlier. Tick the box next to that segment so Mailchimp knows exactly which audience group to send to. Once your segment is selected, click Save. This confirms your audience selection for the campaign. Finally, when you're ready to send, click Send. Mailchimp will now deliver the campaign only to the contacts in that chosen segment, which makes your email marketing much more targeted and much more effective. And that's how you use segments in Mailchimp from start to finish. You created a segment, named it, applied it to a campaign, and sent your email to a specific group of subscribers. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.